Popular recording artist Jah Cure clears the air as it relates to a leaked video of him soliciting the services of two females on a video which surfaced just this week. Hi again and welcome, this is Links007 TV and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on Celebrity Scoop. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is where you get the best in local and international news and celebrities. The recording artist himself, Jah Cure, has landed himself in a bit of controversy once more after a video footage of him was leaked online allegedly by two females that he was allegedly soliciting the services of. Now, in a recent update, Jah Cure came on his Instagram live and also tried to update his fans as it relates to his music and also about the leaked voice note. But many have been bashing him on social media as it relates to the content that was being said in that video. In the video, you could hear two females in the video talking to the recording artist as he was requesting a sum of money which he had paid for them to come in the country. In the recent video, you could hear a number of expletives being laced at the females, and I can tell you that this video has gone viral on all social media platforms. However, we have the video to share with you and we're going to bring you up to date as it relates to the latest that we have to bring to you as it relates to this story. But I just want to say to recording artists out there in general, you have to be extremely careful with the sort of situation that you get yourself involved with at times, because at times some of these females are out to get you down, and even when you believe you're on the right, based on the situation that you're caught in, you might be getting the wrong. But this video does go to show you that no one is perfect, and even when we look up to some of these recording artists, we still have to remember that they are human and they still live their life as if they are not a recording artist. At the end of the day, they still have their regular day-to-day life to live, and some of them might be engaging in certain activities that we might not be comfortable with, or what we might think that they would not be doing. But it does go to show you that this world is a level playing field, and even when someone's wealth is above yours or their level of financial standing, it does go to show you that we are all one. But in this video, it has gone viral and a number of people have been bashing Jah Cure so far as it relates to this, and we're going to bring some of those comments up as it relates to the video that made rounds on social media. But it's very sad to see that he is caught again once more in another controversy. So we're going to hear what the video had to say about the whole entire situation that unfolded on social media just this week. So let's take you over to the video right now on our program, and then when we return, we'll listen to what Jah Cure had to say about what really transpired in that video. Let's go over to that right now on the program. Parts of this footage have been edited in order to protect the moral of the program and also to reach a wider cross-sectional area of viewers.
I remember that my cousin cannot take you nowhere. Yeah, you better take care of him because the Kingston boy then. See you take me from. Send back my money now, no. I'm going back my money. If I'm not now, I'm going back both of my money from you and her. That's me mashing up in here.
Okay, I don't know how much my ticket was. How much was it?
Oh. 600. And hers, if I don't now, she has to pay me back too.
We'll both pay you back.
Right now.
That's fine. Your Wi-Fi doesn't work up here. We have to go downstairs.
Well, I'm ready. Let's go down there. Go do it.
Can we finish packing this
Yeah,
after we leave?
yeah. Y'all don't like peace. Y'all like to I've been watching you all morning with a little sneaky movement. Because you like to fuck around men and make problems. I'm watching you in the front of my car and you can't blocking me with a lot of girls because I see you in my car and you're nothing up. Like me and you deaf. So when you got home and you left me in predicament like, oh, I see Jah Cure, this girl that was in Kingston, this dancer boy in my front of my car, then this shit boy don't think that me and them in size. Some shit boy that beat you in the face over some shit girl. Huh? And then you come and feel like you can't style me.
I'm just gonna leave back and walk it out your way.
Yeah, just think about that stuff. You like to around. I saw you. I observed all morning. You noticed last night? I never came in here and begged. I came in here and I lied down. I saw you all acting funny. You're trying to act like you said some of this.
You know that I have kidney disease and diabetes. I can literally show you my heart and
You don't have to show me nothing.
You punched me.
Okay, look it. I broke on your hand. You take me for shit. Because you see, I'm tell you so no problem. You know how much woman I could have spent and take it upon and enjoy myself and then have so much problem I give me. First thing you do this when the night go out and the beach and left me. And build up after that story for me. You know this me, you know. I beat me for beat the 200 on the house, you know. Hey, take this up on the table. Because first of all, this is not this before put things just for me to put it on the we come in the house and have AC turned on. Door open for much hours. I've take me for a walk. Even if I go to a hotel, you can have AC and I can window open.
Okay.
If you like to come left a big light bill on me, you know how much money that's going to cost me? You make sure you clean the room before on the left.
Okay.
And the bottom of the pay back, the money from the side on the left here is me only problem.
I don't have PayPal, so I download it, but I got you.
PayPal too. One thing I'm sure of, my cousin that ain't taking none of you
We said
nowhere.
we'll get a cab, so we just want to leave right now.
I'm just telling you. You know my cousin. You make sure one of them see them still far. Oh. Kill them now, remember I'm telling you that. You know what I try to make me can sell me out.
Is there a trash can somewhere? No.
There's a garbage downstairs. You've been up here for all day, you know that there's no trash can up here.
That's why we have things for food. Maybe even
Yeah, we should have taken a bath. I don't know who take it up, but when we do that, I don't know.
Well, there you have it. That was the video that made rounds on social media, which sent shockwave right across both the entertainment and the social media fraternity. In that video, you could heard a female being asked to repay a sum of money for a flight that was allegedly booked by the entertainer for these female to come to Jamaica. Now, what transpired hereafter is still unclear. However, the video was laced with expletives and had to be edited in order to protect the moral of the program. During various parts of this video, the female seemed a bit scared as she was packing her things in order to make her way. During the video, the money request still was a dominant factor of the video, as you could hear the alleged voice of the entertainer stating that the money needs to be repaid before they can leave the building. However, he sought to clear the air as it relates to this voice note and video, and say that it is something that has transpired long time ago and that he is sorry. Now, we're going to bring you up to date as it relates to that, but I want you, the general public who have listened to this, to just drop it in the comment section. How do you feel about this whole entire video that made rounds on social media? I look forward to hear your response in the comment section. So let's go over to right now to what Jah Cure had to say as it relates to the video that made rounds this week.
7 years ago, almost to be exact, this happened. A friend of mine sent this video to me years ago and tell me that to be careful, and I explained to him what happened. These girls that came here, how I met them the first time is that one of them got beat up by some dancers. some street dancer guy who said that she mixed him up with his wife and he beat her so bad. They reached out to me as a friend that I know a long time. And I put them up, show them love, they flow out. If I never show them love, they wouldn't ask me to come back here. And I show them love on a brotherly terms. But they know people in Jamaica. They've been coming to Jamaica like 4 or 5 times. Remember, she was talking to a dancer, and then they know artists. So in that time of grief when they were hurt about the situation, I'm sure they send the video to maybe a couple of or few or maybe one Jamaican friend, who knows. But it was there all this time. But it just leaves me to figure that it seems like now it, fall into one of the hands of someone that would really like to terminate you, in every way they can. Them social media warfare that them set up out there for fight. These are them little trick where them pull. Yeah, because everyone have them private life. And you don't know. You and someone in an argument and someone a video you without you knowledge is a form of setup and a blackmail. You feel me? Yeah, because I was always good to them. That was the only bad moment me and them share from the time they were here in Jamaica. I show them so much love and take care of them. It's just because I've realized things missing on my house, valuable items, and some cash. And I asked about it, and it caused some vibes, and we just start talking about all of different things. So I said, yeah, I'm grateful. Just give me back my ticket. You know what I mean? Yeah, plus I'm not fucking even either of them either. I know it's wrong to talk to them the way I was talking to them. And I definitely apologize for that in myself. But deeply, they know I didn't mean anything because I didn't touch them.
Well, that was what basically Jah Cure had to say. Jah Cure said that it was a video that was done some time ago and that he apologized for his action in the video and how he treated the females. And he said that he is a lover of the females and he's doing his music for the females. But I just want you, the public, to just tell me, how do you feel about this? How do you think that he handled the situation? And does it look good as an entertainer to be dealing with females in this manner or fashion, despite what they have done? I just want you to just let me know in the comment section of this video. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and I'm out for this one. Peace out. Bless.